we're gonna be looking around this thing with Alex B. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Dummy. That is joking. But anyway, we're gonna be fun. Today. I don't care. I don't care whatever I do. Okay. Anyway. I'm gonna go on to creative to get some building stuff. Hey, what are you trying to do, Alex? You don't try to trick me, I'm serious. And I'm getting from creative. I'm just gonna get this. Weird start, right? But anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe this video. I'm gonna be making a lot more soon. But yeah, I've been trying to make videos this whole day, but it failed.
So we're doing a live stream tomorrow.
No, we're not doing a live. Yeah, we might be doing a live stream tomorrow, guys. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna be really quickly doing something.
Don't worry, mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fine. And then what? Stop it, Alex B.
Come on. Just go over to the sand over here.
Fly. I believe I could fly.
Oh, there's captive pointer.